my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today and watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't met Jack, this is my little puppy dog. He helps with all my sewing tutorials and DIY projects. He loves to be in all my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this adorable handbag. I wanted to do a Valentine's special, so I chose this material because I thought it looked very Valentine's Day. It's got little heart emojis on it, and then it's got one blowing a little heart kiss. For this tutorial, you'll need a material that does not fray on the ends, because on the ends here, it's not hemmed. So for this one, if you are going to pick one that does fray, you'll have to hem that. But this particular tutorial does not show how to do that. Alright, so let me show you how to make this adorable handbag. This tutorial, you will need about half a yard of fabric. I think this is a little bit less than half a yard. You'll need 2 rings for your handles, and then you'll need a pair of fabric scissors. But what I've got here is another bag from my closet that looks very similar to what we're going to be making today. You can either draw it out or you can just cut. So for this bag, it looks like it's curved up here, but it's actually just a big rectangle, and it's going to curve when you put this ring in it. So all you're going to do is just trace however big you want it to be, and you'll just do a square.
Feeling blue, stop me thinking it through, lost in you. Tell me, what can I do?
So you're not going to pin it all the way around. You're just going to leave about 2 inches at the top of the bag where your handles will be. You'll just measure 2 inches. You're going to fold the wrong sides together so you'll have space to put your handle in.
You drove your life into me, twisting my mind.
First thing you're going to sew is the top of your bag. So you'll just sew right here where your pins are. Now that you've got both sides done, you're going to sew the rest of it where your pins are. So you'll start here at the top. Just make sure you don't sew right here, because this is where you're going to insert your rings. We're on to the last step, and this is the most tricky part of this tutorial. Your rings for your bag should have a separating part. So what you're going to do is go to the end of your bag, and you're going to open it up and insert, and you're just going to pull it through. Do the same thing to your other side. You'll just turn it inside out. And I did not line this bag because this material is already so thick. So if you wanted to line it, I can do a tutorial on that as well, but I just chose not to line this. And when you turn it inside out, I have one of these seam rippers, and I use the lid to poke my edges out. And you are all done with your bag. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial today. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day.